Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with two essentials, an administrator account and the Bitlocker recovery key stored somewhere safe. Once you have those, open Start, type Manage Bitlocker and press Enter to open the control panel. Make sure to select the drive you want to disable. This is typically C, for system or another letter for data. You do this to ensure you're targeting the correct volume. Mistakes here lead to data loss or reboot issues, so pause and double-check the drive letter now. You can turn off Bitlocker through the GUI or command line. In the Bitlocker window, choose Turn off Bitlocker and confirm the system begins decrypting. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off X, where X is the drive letter. This is faster for remote work. Once started, watch the decryption progress. The tool reports a percentage. Make sure the PC stays powered and connected. Interruptions can leave the drive partially encrypted, which is why continuous power matters. You finish by confirming Bitlocker is fully off. Open Manage Bitlocker or run Manage BDE status to see percentage encrypted, 0%. Once complete, consider clearing TPM PIN or startup key settings if you won't re-enable encryption. If you encounter errors, run Manage BDE status to gather details and keep your recovery key handy. You'll need it to unlock a stuck drive. Troubleshooting tip: if decryption stalls, check event logs and disk health. Failing drives often interrupt the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.